So today, Monkey Bike is getting a new exhaust, so it's going to sound better than this. So we're going to be upgrading that. So today I got the brand new Yoshimura RS3 exhaust. Oh, they cleaned it up and it looks really, really nice today. So let's turn it on, see how it sounds. See if it's better than the old one. Oh, it sounds so much better. Oh my god, the Monkey Bike sounds and feels so much better right now. So I don't know how well you can hear it through the helmet, 'cause I'm using the helmet microphone. But my ears are ringing when it's going. Oh my god. This is just as much fun as when I rode it for the first time. They also looked after my chain a little bit more. They said I wasn't looking after it very well, so they tightened it up for me, and it feels actually a lot quicker from them doing the little upgrades. So first impressions of the Yoshimura RS3 exhaust for the Honda Monkey is huge upgrade, makes the bike feel and sound so much better, so much cooler compared to the, quite frankly, I don't want to say pathetic, but the exhaust before is really, really, really quiet. So the route we're going back today is a route through the Kent Downs. The first time I rode back on the Monkey, we went through sort of the towns of Kent, Sittingbourne, Chatham. It does make me want to take care of the Monkey a little bit more. Now it's got this lovely looking exhaust. I think the bike looks a lot better with the exhaust on. Feels better. I'm going to stop talking now and just sort of enjoy the ride. Hopefully I've got enough battery to record the whole thing. So now I've got the RS3 exhaust on it, which sounds bloody fantastic. What should the next mods be to the bike? Now I posted in the UK Monkey Bike Owners Forum on Facebook, and they mentioned go on to Tagakawa, I think that's how you say it, and have a look at their range. First thing to change after the exhaust is the rear shocks, then the front shocks. Then you can get to do a few other things. So leave a comment with what else I can do to the Honda Monkey. So it's meant to snow overnight, which means no more monkey bike riding for a little while, which will be sad. Nice to see some dry roads. We're at the start of February and the roads have just been wet, damp and horrible. I can barely hear myself, so I have no idea if you guys can hear me. Maybe the audio will be a bit better going 40 miles an hour through town instead of... Come on, monkey bike, tackle this hill. Full throttle, third gear. Wouldn't want to be those cyclists though. Monkey struggled up that bit. Lost my mum. The monkey bike was going too quick through that bit. Sun's out, monkey bike's out. Hey, my mum's caught up. The sun has decided to sod off. Chillum. Why did no one tell me my indicator was still on? What an absolute blast of a ride this has been. The new Yoshi exhaust is phenomenal. It's not got the baffle in, so it is actually hurting my ears a little bit. It doesn't not hurt my ears, it's just loud. It's louder than I'm used to. The ride through the Kent Downs was stunning. Pretty much had an open road the whole time. Had my mum behind me, who I managed to lose quite a few times, which is saying something. She's in a car and I'm on a monkey bike. Pretty much held between 55 and 60. Well, the monkey speedo said between 55 and 60. We all know that the monkey speedo likes to tell you you're going faster than you actually are. Oh, just good fun. Alright, so if this is still recording and you can hear, thanks for watching this video of the new Yoshi RS3 exhaust on the monkey bike. If you want to see more videos of me monkeying around on this wonderful little thing, make sure you subscribe to the channel, put those notifications on, and go through the library of other monkeying around videos. Let me know what you think. Cheerio.